Push the button. Push the goddamn button.
Push the goddamn button.
You heard what she said.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Apex Predator Fins here. Today I'm going to show you a special treat that we got. Uh-oh, you guys can hear it in the background. So the other day I was lucky enough to come across a Quaker Parrot and I brought him home. He's awesome. Are you guys ready to check him out? Say hello everyone to our new parrot. His name is Zazu. Hello there, Zazu. How you doing this morning? Yesterday we trimmed his beak, we trimmed his nails, gave him a bath. Yeah, didn't we? Zazu, step up. Step up. Zazu, step up. Come on, get up there. Good, Zazu. Good, Zazu. That's a good Zazu. Yeah, that's a good bird. Everyone, meet Zazu, our new family parrot, our Quaker parrot. Aww. You say hi, Zazu? You say hi? Give Daddy a kiss. Zazu. She's getting warmed up to me pretty good. She's so awesome, guys. So, Quaker parrots, a lot to learn. So, if any of you guys don't have birds, don't just go out and get one. Do some research before you do so. There's a lot of stuff that you need to know about these guys. A lot of stuff that I didn't know before I got him. We believe it's a boy, by the way. We won't know until we get it blood tested. But we're going to be taking this guy to the vet here soon to get some blood tests done and see if it's a boy or girl. And then we're going to make sure she's all healthy. Well, she looks pretty good. She's got a couple spots where she's picking her feathers. Step up. Step up. Step up. Step up. She's got a couple spots where she's picking her feathers. Right there. This is all before I even got her. And then on her feet right there. She's picking her feathers. But overall, she's a pretty good bird. She's pretty healthy. And she's got a few problems, but we're going to address those as soon as possible and try to get that taken care of. So, that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Up. There you go. Say bye, Zazu. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Dado.
Tyler says bye.